That was weird. Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is EmiLou.Arts, and it's been a few days, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, look at those nangly meat hooks. Those are ugly. I apologize for that. I'm going to plan out April today in my Hobonichi cousin Avec, the A5. And I know you're looking at this thinking, Emily, that's not your Hobonichi. And girl, boy, I know. Just stick around and I'll tell you what happened. Okay, so
where do I even start?
It was very much in the vein of if you give a mouse a cookie. And it all started with me not having enough room in my pen pouch for another Mildliner and pen that I wanted to use on this pad of paper. That's it. That's all that happened. That's all it started with. And it ended with me going to, I don't know, a lot of different places. It started with Michael's and then Hobby Lobby to find something that I could slip this in that would give me more pockets. Because with cookie season coming, I wanted to carry around this notepad and another color Mildliner for my color coding that would have to do with cookies. And that color is lavender, right here. And so, long story short, I bought this binder from Hobby Lobby. It is the Agenda 52 6-ring planner binder. It did not come with any of the inside meat, the planner of it. It just came as the binder. I got home, I got a pair of my husband's pliers, and I ripped out the rings like a demented animal. Like I was a raptor. And I had no mercy. It was 40% off because the Tomb Raiders at Hobby Lobby always have coupons. So it was only $10.69. And so I didn't really care if it didn't turn out, but I thought it would. When I was in the store, I slipped this little bugger in. Oh, I put some papers back here. I can take those out. Slipped this little bugger in, and it was love at first sight, because actually look at how cute it is. Black and white striped with a pastel pink inside, and that just made me die, okay? I loved it, so that's what I wanted. I wanted to slip this in. I wanted the rings gone, so I pulled out the rings, and then I took myself a little permanent marker, a black permanent marker, and I just colored that little baby in where I ripped it out and where I made, you know, holes, and you know, I just colored it black and you can't even see it. And then I realized that my pen fit perfectly in this hole from the top right there, amaze balls. And actually I didn't make my slit here long enough for my last Mildliner. Remedy that real quick. All I did was take a kitchen knife and make a slit in the top layer of this pleather, because originally I had my Mildliner sticking in here. And when I closed it, I was like, oh, wouldn't it be nice if they sat right here? They just sit so perfectly. So I was like, well, shit, man, I'm just gonna make it happen, because what's the worst that could happen? It could not work. I could ruin this wonderful $10 binder, which, you know, $10 is not cheap, but is kind of cheap. I didn't make it long enough. Before I did this with a knife, and that was much easier and more precise than doing it with these scissors. And it made me another spot so that when I close, oh come on.
Now when I'm on camera, you're gonna be a little bitch.
There. See? Now when I close it, look at how much that just gives you a planner-gasm. Does it? Because I'm not gonna lie, you guys, it gives me one. Everything just fits in there like it was damn made to be there. And if I seem a little salty today, it's because I am. Our shower is leaking into the ceiling in our kitchen, and the whole ceiling is gonna have to be ripped out, and the shower possibly retiled, and it's December 19th, so it was exactly what I needed to happen today. Exactly. And this is all my insurance notes for the insurance claims adjuster that's coming tomorrow. But just look at that. Look at that. For my cookie stuff that's starting in January, I'll have a note paper where I can take a lot of notes, scribble things down, a pocket where I can slip extra sheets of paper, and like the receipts that I get never mind. Cookies suck. I'm not going to talk about them anymore. And then just extra room. And you know what? I didn't realize that I wasn't happy until I held this. I like a thicker thing to hold on to. I'm just gonna say it. That's it. And this, while it was super portable, I will give you that, super portable, this little corner in the bottom from being in my purse was just kind of ever so slightly bending inward like that. Like nothing was wrong, but I was like,
Oh, little corner. What's happening to you?
you're not protected. And like, I like holding this, but I'm not gonna lie, I like holding this even more. Like, I feel like it just protects it. It gives me extra storage. And I'm not gonna lie, it gives me more room to decorate, which...
Bitches, I love it.
I put my decal that I bought on Black Friday at Shine Sticker Studio on here, and it looks so cute. I have my little cat paw notepad that was a gift. So, anyways, I got really on a tangent there, but that is basically the current situation. So if you are feeling that you want some more room or protection, or you just like to squeeze things, go check out the Agenda 52 planners at Hobby Lobby. If I can find them on Amazon, I'll link them, but I doubt that you can get them for as good of a deal as you can at Hobby Lobby. With all the coupons and such. So you can go check those out. I know that it also would work with the Recollections A5 binders from Michaels. And those, when you can get those on a good sale too, are probably around, I don't know, $15-16 after the discounts that you can get. But I just fell in love with this one. I really did. So, that was a long-winded discussion about that. So really today I just wanted to continue planning out my months, because I was up to April. We did March last, and it's so cute. I just wanted to have April done so that I had my calendar complete through the end of cookie season, so that I would be able to make plans appropriately. And that is the size of that. So I'm going to be putting stickers in here for April. Hey everybody, it's voiceover Emily, and now I am going to show you how I'm going to put in my stickers. If you hear some rattling, that's my dryer, and pounding, that's the insurance claims adjuster climbing on the roof. So just bear with me. I'm in my own personal hell. So anyhow, I am cutting my stickers just like I have in all the other months. It's extremely similar. I like to put the name of the month along the side in that big banner, And then I measure out the days of the week and trim those up to just a smidgen over 1.25 inches, like a hair's breadth. And then I make some clippy-doos. That's exactly what I do, clippy-doos. And then I put in the names of the week, the names of the day. You guys, I just can't even begin to explain my life right now. Shit show would describe it pretty succinctly. Now I am cutting out this bottom banner. So all of these month kits, people have asked me where to find them. The Shine Sticker Studio, and they were previously under the clearance tab. So if you go to the website, check the clearance tab. That's where I got them, and they were the Erin Condren monthly decoration kits, and I'm just trimming them down, and I only got 2 pages from those monthly decoration sets, the one with the top washi and the decorative boxes. If you guys have been with me for a while, then this is all repetitive news to you, but I like the deco. That's my favorite thing. And then the washi, the name of the month and stuff, I think it's so cute. So I am using the decorative box right next to that banner, kind of filling up those days that don't belong to April. I like to fill those up with sometimes lists, sometimes the rest of the banner. In that day, I decided to use that little goals sheet. I don't know why, just because. And then I trimmed down the next month, and notes, and I like to make little list, little areas at the bottom where I could jot a note or two. And I generally don't use the pay bill flags, so I just snip off the little flag portion and use them for my lists at the bottom, which I think is cute. I don't know. Maybe it's not, but I like it. And then I decided to, I think I used the rest of that little banner and then separate my little lists. I don't know why. I just didn't want any of that little rainbow banner to go to waste. So I put that in there. Now, this is not a lot of room to write on these little lists. They're more for decoration than anything. Who knows if I'll actually write in them. So there goes my dryer. I think that's the button on my daughter's jean jacket rattling around. And then, let's see, finishing up my little notes column. And then I think I put some colored strips that they give you just to complete that little area. I don't know why, you guys. This is all just therapeutic stickering for me when I do my months. A lot of it is not for usefulness or functionality. It's for a love. It's for the love of the sticker. And so I love that little one of Luna like rolling around in the flowers. So cute. And then I use my Mildliners to color code in my planner, and I've used the same kind of color code for a couple years now, so it works really well for me. And this, I kind of chose the more like muted tones of the colors that I usually use to use in these monthly spreads, because I just thought they went well with the vibe of the Shine Sticker Studio. And then I use my Uni Jetstream pen in the point, I think this is the 0.5, and I bought the cutest little pack on Amazon of the, oh, it was so cute. The colors were lavender, purple, and like this teal color, like blue, and they were on Amazon, and the pack was like $4 or something, and it's my favorite pen. So it's the same pen that you get when you order from Hobonichi. And I love that pen. Freaking love it. So that's what that lavender pen is. And then sticking in some more deco. And then this is the monthly deco sheet that you can get from Michael's and Shine Sticker Studio. It's like the seasonal decorations, and I'm just adding in a bunch of those because, oh my gosh, it's all Luna like in a little bunny costume and sitting in the little Easter egg. I can't even handle it. It's so stinking cute. So I put in basically as much as possible. Little Luna in little costumes, like little animal costumes, it basically would be my downfall. I mean, you know, I love it. It's so cute. And so I'm just sticking Easter eggs. There's a little Easter basket. I guess if you don't celebrate Easter, then this isn't a great kit for you. But you could always send it to somebody who would like it, I guess. The rest of them are, they're just, this little sticker booklet I have talked about until I am all colors in the face, like blue, green, red. I just can't stop talking about it. And then the little Easter eggs. So cute. It's making me forget about all of the chaos surrounding my life right now as I wait for Service Master to come rip out my walls. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys for putting up with me in this video. I know that I had a little bit of an attitude and you could probably sense it. And I know that I've been missing videos lately. Just had a lot going on. So if you're new, please come back. I promise I'm a nice person. Thanks.